Welcome back, editors. After a long time, a new tutorial has finally arrived on this channel. Show your support so I stay motivated and continue uploading regular long tutorials. In this tutorial, I'll teach you everything from the basics to the details, including trending reverse edits, shake effects, glitch effects, and much more. So make sure to watch the video till the end. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Also, comment and let me know what tutorial I should upload next. Open the PixArt app. You can find this app on my Telegram channel. The link is in the description. Go to text and type your text. Select any font you like. Adjust it the way I am doing. Take a screenshot of it and crop it to show only what I am doing. Take a screenshot of it and crop it the way I am doing. Open the Photo Room app. You can find this app on my Telegram channel and the link is in the description. Click on Transparent and select your image. Go to Cutout and remove everything except the eye, just like I am doing. This app is mostly used for removing backgrounds. Go to YouTube and search for Dark Knight Scene Pack. You will find high-quality clips. This is the method I use to find clips. I can't show the method of downloading YouTube videos in my video because it goes against the guidelines. The clips I've used in this edit are available on my Telegram channel, so join it. For any movie clip you need, after writing the movie's name, just add Scene Pack. You'll get high-quality clips. If you want this slow-motion one, then write Twixtor 4K and you'll find it. This is the same way I find movie clips. You can use this method for anime too. Go to Speed and then to Curve, and adjust it the way I am doing. Duplicate it. Go to Speed and then to Curve, and adjust it the way I am doing. Reverse it just like I am doing. Add one keyframe at the beginning and one at the end, then zoom in. Use the cubic out graph. Add one keyframe at the beginning and one at the end. Go to the starting keyframe and zoom out. Use the cubic out graph. Apply this to all clips. select oblique blur. Go to Effects and select oblique blur. Adjust it to 100% and 0%. Go to Effects and select Bad TV. Adjust it to 100% and 0%. Duplicate it the way I am doing. Go to Effects and select Shake. Adjust it to 50%, 60%, and 0%. Duplicate it and bring it below. Then go to the end keyframe and zoom in so it looks like a ghost effect. Go to Animation and select Fade Out, and then duplicate it. Go to Transition and select Oblique Blur. Go to Effects and select Oblique Blur. Adjust it to 100% and 0%. Go to Effects and select Bad TV. Adjust it to 100% and 0%. Duplicate it the way I am doing. Go to Effects and select Shake. Adjust it to 50%, 60%, and 0%. Duplicate it and bring it below. Then go to the end keyframe and zoom in so it looks like a ghost effect. Go to Animation and select Fade Out. Thanks for watching.